In this quick course, you will learn how to configure and upload an Azure DevOps sample pipeline YAML file for the Universal Connector application in BMC AMI SQL Assurance for DB2. Before you begin, make sure to download the required zip files from the BMC EPD website. These files include the application components and the sample configuration YAML file required for this procedure. For more information, see the additional Universal Connector quick courses and product documentation in the video description. To assist with the pipeline configuration, we provide 3 sample pipeline YAML files. These files are located in the Azure DevOps SQL Assurance sample folder included in the BMC EPD package. Using a text editor on your local system, open the sample pipeline file named Pipeline SQL Assurance Static SQL Sample. Save this file with a new name so you can keep the original file for reference. In the new pipeline file, update the components used to run the steps defined in the demo config SQL Assurance Static SQL YAML file. Set the trigger to none to enable manual run of the pipeline. In the Resources section, update the container image value to match the SQL Assurance image you downloaded and its location. And then update the pool value to specify your Azure DevOps agent pool. The Steps section includes scripts that perform the following actions. Run Linux sed commands to replace variables with values used in the configuration YAML file. In each sed command, update the sample configuration YAML file name and path to match your demo config SQL Assurance Static SQL YAML file. The remaining scripts run BMC AMI SQL Assurance processing steps. Update these steps to reference your configuration YAML file name and path. After completing these updates, save the pipeline file. Next, upload the updated pipeline file to Azure DevOps. From the Repos menu, select your Demo Samples repository folder. Click the More Actions button and select Upload Files. In the Commit dialog box, you can either drag the pipeline file or browse to locate it. Verify that the correct pipeline file is selected. Enter a comment, select the appropriate branch, and then click Commit to upload the file. The sample pipeline is now configured and available in Azure DevOps. You can now proceed to run the pipeline. Thank you for your time. For more information about any BMC mainframe product, check the video description for links to documentation and related videos.